this video, I will show with you step by step how to log in Sumpup online. So if you want to log in, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for Sumpup, log in, search for login, this result. As you can see here, you have different option here. Just click the first website here. You will redirect it to login page. In this login page, all you have to do, write your email address in this section. From here, write your password. Make sure write a strong and good password, and then click login. You can use login with passkey. This is for passkey. Just click passkey this section from here, and then write your passkey. So as I say, you can log in. You can also download Sumpup. You can download this app. This is for app you can download successfully. Just press this icon, download this app, click from here, this section, click scan this code, and then complete your login process. This is how you can do, friends. Just follow this simple instruction. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.